This is gonna go real bad, huh? Should I just record this tomorrow? What's up, guys? Jessica here, and for this week's video I bring to you guys part 2 of ThreadBeast unboxing. As I mentioned on my other video, there's 3 types of boxes. Actually, there's 4. There's a 55 one, 85, which is this one, and then the 135, which was on my first video, and then a 250 or something like that. But this one actually comes with a little surprise. Let's get to it. As we saw in the other box, double chin. Oh my god, I need to start working out. I had to set up my lights because this was just not gonna work. So back to business. That's the first thing that pops out, and this is from Mexico. Authentic classics, 100% cotton, retro kicks. I say this is a yes for me. Second thing, it's probably too big. Gear for sports, made in Honduras. It's just a plain gray long sleeve. I'm probably wearing this for work tomorrow. Follow my Instagram, link down below, and I'll be posting a picture of this tomorrow. What else is here? Oh, that's definitely a yes for me. Like I said, I'll probably be wearing it for work. And then we have a diamond supply. Oh, what? No fucking way. Another long sleeve. I'll ThreadBeast. Like, I was just talking shit about, oh, it's summertime, but look at this. Oh, and it's got buttons. Yep. Like, I don't even care if it's summertime. I'm definitely feeling this. Definitely a yes also. And then we have a button-up shirt. This is a no. Like, look at this. Like, what? Oh, unless you've, like, folded. Oh! Yes. Okay. Like, at first I was like, why the heck would you have a button-up on here? But I guess this would be like a 7.5 out of 10. I mean, I'll still wear it. Yeah, definitely, I think. Oh, a night to the club. Yes. This is a maybe would wear it. Oh, dang. I got another jeans. Sweet. Like, I like man's clothes, but my jeans are definitely from girls. So I don't even know if it's, like, the right size for me. Oh, no way. Like, guys, seriously, like, how do you guys even go pee with all this stuff here? I don't know. I'm not a big fan of all these buttons. And that is it for the clothing. And then we have this. This was like an extra. So this box was the 85 one, which is probably worth it. We got the black shirt. We got the diamond one. We got the gray long sleeve and the gray short sleeve. And then these, but I mean, these don't really count because they're obviously not gonna come in your monthly box. But I'm pretty sure it is definitely worth the $85. I mean, just the freaking jeans. Like, even if they weren't like diamond supply, a pair of jeans, at least for me, they're about like 35 bucks. That's already 35 plus the shirt. I'm pretty sure there's like another $30 because it's diamond, obviously. That's already like 60. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna keep the box for like another month and we'll see what comes in. I'm gonna keep both boxes just to see what's up, because I mean, this one was definitely worth like $85 since we got these glasses. But these are like, I think these are only when you first get subscribed to the box. You use the coupon code spectacles and they'll send you these for free. So anyways, guys, that is it for this week's video. I will see you guys next week with another video. Remember to like this video, make sure you guys subscribe, share it up. Everything will be down below, the codes. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next week with another video.